Hello students, I'm Dr. Shailaja Jadhav, Professor and HOD in Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Today, we shall see the general properties and chemistry of penicillins. Penicillins are the derivatives of benzyl penicillin. As you can see here, circled in red is the benzyl radical. 6-APA is the parent compound of all semisynthetic penicillins. The beta-lactams consist of two rings, ring A and ring B, fused together, of which ring B is the beta-lactam ring. In case of penicillins, ring A is thiazolidine ring. If you look at the structure of penicillin, you will see that it consists of two sites of action of enzymes. One is the site where beta-lactamase enzyme acts, and the other is the site of action where the enzyme amidase acts. The molecules attached on the side chain at 6th position determine the activity of the penicillin derivatives, which means they determine many of the antibacterial and pharmacologic characteristics of the derivative, that is, the spectrum and its resistance. In this figure here, you can see the structure of penicillin and the site of action of the enzymes we discussed, beta-lactamase and amidase. Also, you can see the point at which derivatization of penicillins is carried out. The modifications are done mostly at R to obtain various derivatives. This figure here will give you a clear picture. You can see the acyl side chain and 6-APA. Also, you can see the fused ring system of penicillin consisting of beta-lactam ring and thiazolidine ring. When it comes to numbering of penicillins, it can be done either as per chemical abstracts, where the numbering starts with sulfur moiety, or it can be done as per the USP, where the numbering starts with nitrogen moiety. Penicillin is unstable in acidic or alkaline medium. In alkaline medium, it gets converted into penicilloic acid, and in acidic medium, it is converted to penylic acid. All the natural penicillins are strongly dextrorotatory. The acyl amino group at C6 has L configuration, and the carbon attached to the carboxylic group has D configuration. Hence, the acyl amino alpha and carboxylic group beta with respect to the penam ring are trans to each other. There are three asymmetric centers in the molecule, that is at 3, 5 and 6. And the absolute stereochemistry of penicillin is designated as 3s, 5r, 6r. When you look at the shape of the penicillin molecule, For example, here, penicillin G, you will find it to be a folded envelope shape. So here, today, we have seen the general properties and chemistry of penicillin. In the next part, we shall see the structure-activity relationship of penicillins. Thank you.